In this module, I'm going to show you the different drums options with Avenger, which turn it from a very comprehensive instrument into a full production suite, where you can do beats alongside your patches. So this means, for example, that you might want to have a drum loop playing when you press one MIDI note, whilst some MIDI notes higher up on the keyboard can play a bass line or a lead patch over the top. So let's click on drums to see what's available there. And the browser is down in the bottom corner here. At the moment, we're just looking at the factory packs. Now, when it loads up, you'll probably have this lock symbol active, so we'll start with that. And to load a kit, all I need to do is double click on one of the options. You can see what happens then is we get different samples loading up. So these are the samples making up our kit. And you can see the individual sample that's currently selected at the bottom there, where you can edit various parameters. And if I switch to the drum sequencer here, you can see when I load up a different kit, I'll do it using the arrows this time, that we also get a different pattern loading. Now to play this, I just need to play a particular MIDI note. So at the moment we're just getting oscillator 1 sounding. Now I could just mute it and then keep playing MIDI notes until I find the right one. There you go. Or if I wanted to, I could go to the Zones tab. Then I could see which MIDI note I'm playing, and at the moment you can see it's within the range of oscillator 1 here, which is all MIDI notes. Whereas down the bottom here is our drums range. If I wanted to, I could also change this range so it's up the top. So we get oscillator 1 happening in the upper notes, but the drums happening on their own on the lower ones. So going back to the sequencer. Now the other thing you can do here is you can use the lock symbol here to lock one of these particular things. So at the moment when we click a preset, it's changing both the samples, so both the kit and also the pattern. But if I click on the lock here, so it goes faint with sequence selected, it means you essentially lock drums in place but unlock the pattern. So now you can see it keeps exactly the same kit loaded, but just changes the pattern that's playing. And you can do vice versa by choosing the drums instead. So the sequence stays fixed, but you can see all the drum samples changing there.